This one Samsung teaser just exposed more about the Galaxy S26 Ultra than Samsung probably wanted, and almost nobody noticed the most important detail. At first glance, it looks like a simple privacy teaser. But pause it. Zoom in. This isn't about privacy alone. It's a silent design reveal. Let's start with what jumps out immediately. The selfie camera. Yes, the punch hole is bigger, and no, this isn't a downgrade. Samsung is doing this on purpose. A wider hole means a wider field of view, which means better group selfies, less edge distortion, and cleaner framing. This is Samsung's direct response to what Apple is pushing with the iPhone 17. And honestly, it's a smart move. Now, look at the display edges. Those bezels? Perfectly symmetrical. Top, bottom, left, right, exactly the same thickness. It gives the phone that premium, uninterrupted slab look. Even better, Samsung hasn't increased the bezels at all. They're just as thin as the S25 Ultra, but visually cleaner. But here's where things get really interesting. The corners. Samsung has increased the curvature again. The boxy era is officially dead. The S25 Ultra started this transition, but the S26 Ultra completes it. This phone is clearly designed to feel better in the hand, not just look good in renders. And more importantly, it brings the Ultra closer to Samsung's overall design language across the lineup. Now, shift your attention to the frame. On the right side, you'll see 3 physical buttons: volume up, volume down, and the side key. But this isn't just a power button anymore. Samsung is pushing it as a customizable AI key. You can still use it traditionally or turn it into instant access for AI features. That's Samsung quietly preparing users for an AI-first future. And now, the headline of the teaser: Next Level Privacy. This confirms Samsung's privacy display tech is front and center on the S26 Ultra. That means smarter viewing angles, better on-screen protection in public spaces, and tighter control over what others can see. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of feature you appreciate every single day. So, when you connect all the dots, this teaser isn't small at all. Bigger selfie camera for better shots, cleaner, symmetrical bezels, more refined curves, an AI-ready button, and privacy features built directly into the display.
Camera bumps are officially back on Samsung flagships, and just when people started complaining about it, Ice Universe dropped a post that changed how we look at the Galaxy S26. At first glance, it looks like the usual raised camera island. Nothing special. But if you look closer, really closer, you realize Samsung didn't just bring the bump back, they redesigned it. The Galaxy S26 lineup uses a 2-layer camera bump, not one. The first layer is directly attached to the back panel, tightly surrounding each camera sensor. Then there's a second layer sitting on top of it, slightly raised, clean, and deliberately separated. Now here's the detail Ice Universe pointed out. On the Galaxy S26 Plus in white, that top camera island layer is transparent. Not glossy glass like old iPhones, not plastic either. It's subtle, almost invisible depending on the light. Samsung clearly wanted the camera bump to feel lighter and more refined, not bulky or aggressive. When you pair that transparent layer with metallic camera rings, the whole design suddenly makes sense. The bump doesn't look stuck on, it looks engineered. This transparent island could also appear on black and other colors, but white is the first one where it's impossible to miss. It's a quiet design flex. Of course, the moment you hear transparent layer, one question comes up instantly: durability. Camera islands are usually the first thing to take damage in a drop. Metal backs survive better than glass, and a layered bump means more exposure. That concern is valid, but Samsung wouldn't ship a flagship with a weak point this obvious. If this design made it through, it's been tested hard. Still, physics doesn't care about branding, so a case might be a smart move this year. Ice Universe's post doesn't just show a camera bump, it shows Samsung taking a risk again. And if this is what they're doing on the Galaxy S26 Plus, the Ultra might be hiding something even bigger.